Got to keep here. The hammer dog. All right, for Brother Matt, I removed all of those brown capacitors that were installed in your Leslie amplifier. Several of them were bad. They were outside of the limit, and there were a couple that were still within limits, but they looked like cheap capacitors, and I just didn't have any confidence in those things at all. I mean, so I didn't want to leave any of those cheap capacitors in your amplifier, so I replaced all of your capacitors with good quality top-notch capacitors, and now your amp should play reliably and sound good. All right, I'm getting ready to go and do the sound check on it now. Peace out.